Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3D photo reel. Instagram trending 3D zoom effect in CapCut. So if you wanna use the effect from CapCut, or if you wanna use CapCut as your video editor in your Android, please install this application. It's very fun to edit the video here. So let's start by if you're not yet register your account or make account, please do it so you can enjoy full service of this application. Let's start by tap this template tab and try to search the meteor effect crane here, and the first one, this one, you can try this effect, and then you can use this as your template here. So you can tap on use template here, use a photo from gallery here, you can tap, and let's try by tap next. And this is the result. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.